lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love, and with your admission that you feel the same. I just wanna be the one you love.
Hello folks, I am MNMK Gemini and welcome to this channel. In last video, I had uploaded a video about Toluana surveys. So I decided to make detailed information that how to make money for free with low effort in that. So if you want to support me, please press the subscribe button and press the like and comment down below. So let's go Vanga Palam. So, okay, actually this is the home page, and let's go check out rewards. My eyes are glaring off. Wow, oh my god, I still not reveled my shot, but our efforts reward should be worthy. So as you think there is paid, PayPal, Nika, and many more, and there is many rewards than I thought. I actually got Amazon gift card. So let's go to surveys. Yeah, it is consumers topic when it asks if you work on any industries such as market research or advertising agency like that. PLS press none of the above, otherwise they will kick you. Sorry, we are looking for another profile. After that, age should be at least above 18, and it's asking gender, no problem. Sect as yours. If it asks parental guardian, are you or some of them? PLS select yes. And it asks your teenage wanted to attend this survey, select yes. Teenage years should be above 13 years. Okay guys, and gender is optional. State also not bothers, you can select anything. If it asks do you see movie or TV shows, select yeah, I have being seen that do as it shows. It asks just about one topic that you have seen, watched particular event or movie, select very familiar. Wow, it asks video games, M King and that bell operant, and I am Shrouds, friend lol. Next you should select about that topic, just write simply about that. It is just checking whether we are having compatible things. Select appropriately. Now it comes our popular game brands. Select yes, I am done in that. If everybody in anger in me that what you are having PS5, please forgive me, I am just selecting randomly. Next it will ask relative questions like how you bought that specific item. Select minimum of that option. See done like Nintendo PS5 if you like PS5 like. Next it will ask some questions like who sponsored the specific event. Sound appropriate in this, you should be careful while selecting, and it will ask relative questions like how you got that, do you have or not. Okay guys, after this section I am leaving to you. Actually surveys are very easy, but I am not telling you should do regularly. Just do before you sleep or before your dinner. Please select questions properly, otherwise it shows error till you correct that. And main thing in surveys I patience. Most of the time you will reject all surveys. I have attended 89+ surveys, so I am excellent in surveys. See, till now I am not correct now. Correcting. Okay guys, almost 50% of the surveys ended up. Let's see, and thank you for your precious subscribing. Oh, I love you guys. Please share this video to your friends, because I am sharing very important tips of surveys now, so make sure to share. I think they have tried but rejected. Let's get 100+ subscribers. PLS to share guys. Now almost half of it done. Actually last survey done and landed the mine low-key one. Congrats, but for those who are not mine the giveaway, I am very sad because I also now when we rejected and stuff. So another good news will be uploaded next video. Stay tuned. Almost it's done, so you should be put effort in your surveys. If you want surveys tips PT2 PLS notify me guys. If you are rejected already in surveys and hated, why waiting? Don't give up, just try. Almost when all get done apply these tips. So bye, we will see you next video. Nandroid, Vanakkam, peace. MNMK Gemini signing off. Bye. Bro, actually, surveys. are not easy, but there should be a seed in a tree. This survey actually asks full of PS5. I am in sadness. The reason is, I am not having PS4, lol. But still, after my works and studies are over, I will be finished, and that's it, I will buy new PS4. This survey drinking all my energy. But let's do this. I don't know why it is taking too much time. But let's see. Don't see my voice timing, only see my tips. So next is, I am growing liver, and I was seeing your comments, and can you tell in the comments whether do you like this earning content? If not, PLS share and comments. If yes, PLS say put like earning videos more. PLS guys, this is small livers, growing time. Make sure to support us. Actually, surveys that start with so you're from or you work in following example advertising or government agency would definitely try to collapse and disqualify us, but this survey is oppositely reacting. Actually, I am not telling all surveys are bad, some of them try to collapse. That's all. After all surveys thus improve our earning. Example, if you depositing your money in bank and bank pays you interest as 7% per annual, and you get the end of your year as more money like that, it's just for entertainment. By the way, this is helping for people who wants money to games, or to help anybody, every time. You should not expect for money in surveys. Don't worry if this survey is not qualifying you properly and rejecting you. Don't worry, there are many surveys like I will TWLL, only working, only paid, only good, only short time spending. So don't worry guys, I am here to help you. Any doubt or help, feel free to ask in comments. So time to end by. Yeah, as this survey is big, I wanna tell you another fact, that is you can't do an earning without proper guidelines. Actually, I found this survey site 2 years before itself, but still, I am not satisfied of this survey, because I am spending time on it. I think surveys are just clicking, and they first entered in Amazon Mechanical Turk, I believe that, but suddenly when I'm going redeem in that Amazon Mechanical Turk, it told, PLS check your region if you are India. Sorry, we have nothing for you for temporarily, we stopped. Peoples for India, we will tell you when we have rights to put this Turk in India. Actually in that time I standed in patience, I didn't give up, I searched many survey sites, they rejected me more than 50 sites, it didn't give up. This is a lesson form for us. We should not and never give up in our life until we succeed our dream and our aim or goal, anything you want. So I think I told many useful tips, tricks and how to earn in Toluana surveys, but Tim having many working legal and approved survey sites which you can earn very easily and comfortably. Toluana is the one I love to use because they give at least 10 survey per day, and they give each survey 1000 points. So that we can earn 3 days itself, because minimum redeemable itself 30,000 points, so each day 10,000 points raise you up to payable. So this is my last. I continue watching this video, I'm leaving and have a survey Des.
I am ready to fire, I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve, I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder, yes I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the bay, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter, trying to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when the spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You are release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you are to release.